Hello, and welcome to the eProc Solutions training session. This video will demonstrate how to fix a problem when users in the organization have a problem with a desktop shortcut. It is common practice for the IT department to manage desktop shortcuts across all computers in the organization for all users. However, sometimes the users in the organization might have a problem accessing a specific shortcut. For example, a shortcut for accessing the support portal or the organization's web application. The problem is that for some reason the shortcut is deleted or changed by mistake on all computers, and it can take a long time to resolve the problem. Using eProc, we will demonstrate how to resolve the problem in less than 1 minute. Here we have Mary, who wants to open the support portal. She double-clicks the support portal shortcut, and when the browser opens, she sees a web page with an error message. Mary calls the service desk for assistance, where the support technician opens the Virtual Technician module on the eProc Management Console and selects Shortcuts from the menu. In the Policies table, we can see that eProc already manages the Support Portal shortcut. We double-click the Support Portal policy to open the Properties, where we can see the policy is only set to create the shortcut if it's missing. To resolve the problem, we set the Overwrite switch to On and click the OK button. Now, we click the Commit Changes button to apply the changes to all organizational computers. The commit broker processes the request, prepares the changes, and broadcasts the changes to computers. After the commit process completes, we ask Mary to try again. Mary double-clicks the shortcut, and the support portal opens. The reason eProc can resolve the problem very fast is because the unique communications framework developed by eProc allows for making changes in real time, allowing it to resolve issues immediately. This concludes our training session. If you want to learn more about our solutions, please go to our website at www.eprocsolutions.com. Thank you.